In today's fast-paced world, the idea of earning money without actively working for it is appealing to many. One strategy gaining traction is the creation of passive income streams. Passive income offers a way to generate additional revenue streams that can provide financial stability and freedom. In this video, we'll explore various strategies and methods to help you make extra money through passive income. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 10. Create a print-on-demand store. With e-commerce becoming a popular way to generate money online, print-on-demand stands out. This method lets you sell your designs on various items like shirts, mugs, and phone cases. What's great is you can make your brand. However, it is critical to be skilled in graphic design because outsourcing can cut your earnings due to thin margins. However, if you create a striking design, your sales can skyrocket. The competition isn't particularly severe because brands rarely sell the same designs. Furthermore, print-on-demand lowers the requirement for inventory because items are produced only when ordered. This reduces upfront expenditures and storage requirements, making it an appealing alternative for aspiring entrepreneurs wishing to launch their businesses without making a significant investment. Number 9. Create an app. You've probably seen a trend. Creating stuff tends to lead to passive income. If you're skilled in coding, consider making apps for passive earnings. Apps offer various monetization options like in-app ads, paid content, and premium features. However, it's crucial not to rush into monetization. Initially, prioritize attracting users by providing valuable free features and ensuring a smooth user experience. Building a user base lays a strong foundation for future monetization strategies. Additionally, keep in mind the importance of app maintenance and updates to retain users and sustain passive income over time. So, take your time to develop an app that adds value to users' lives and watch your passive income grow steadily. Number 8. Park domains. Domain parking is a way to earn money without much effort. You register or buy domain names that others might want later. These domains are usually similar to popular websites but with slight changes in spelling. Instead of creating whole websites, you simply leave them as they are, parked. Once you have a parked domain, you may make money from it mostly through advertisements. When someone visits your domain by mistake, they see ads. If they click on these ads, you get paid. This method makes good use of the traffic your domain naturally gets because it resembles a famous site. It's a straightforward process that turns idle domains into income sources. Number 7. Real estate investment trusts. If you're looking to earn money from real estate without the hassle of managing properties yourself, real estate investment trusts, or REITs, could be the solution. REITs work like mutual funds, but focus on owning commercial real estate like offices, shops, apartments, and hotels. They often pay good dividends, but their complexity and availability vary. Some REITs are traded on stock exchanges, others are not. Beginners might prefer publicly traded REITs, which can be purchased through online brokerages. You can also diversify your real estate assets by purchasing mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs that include several REITs. This allows you to get the benefits of real estate income without the need for big down payments or the hassles of property management. Number 6. Buy a blog. If you're interested in starting a blog, consider buying one instead of starting from scratch. By purchasing a blog, you can skip the initial setup and tap into the existing contacts and relationships of the previous owner. This means you can start making money right away, rather than waiting to establish an audience. Before making a purchase, be sure you're knowledgeable and passionate about the blog's subject matter. Furthermore, having ideas for improving the blog's content, efficiency, and costs can boost its profitability beyond the purchase price. Remember that a blog, like any business, may be difficult to sell if you decide to go on. Its value may fluctuate, and there is no assurance of recovering your investment. So before making a purchase, conduct thorough research and evaluate your blog's potential. Number 5. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a fantastic way to earn money from anywhere, even if you're starting with a small budget. With dropshipping, you create an online store where customers can browse and purchase products. When you get an order, you simply pass it on to your dropshipping supplier, who takes care of shipping the product. These suppliers handle everything from making the product to packaging and sending it out. What's great is that you don't have to pay your supplier until your customers pay you, reducing the risk of losing cash. To help you find trending products to sell in your store, you can use apps like DSers. With dropshipping, You can start a business without worrying about inventory or shipping, making it an attractive option for many entrepreneurs. Number 4. Invest in the stock market. While the stock market may seem intimidating at first, it offers a powerful avenue for building wealth over time. Many people make the mistake of focusing on short-term rewards rather than pursuing long-term financial goals. Investing in equities attempts to diversify your portfolio while minimizing risk. You can achieve this by investing in various options like mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, and high-dividend stocks, which yield capital gains over time. Seeking guidance from a financial advisor is advisable to effectively plan and attain your passive income goals. With patience, a well-diversified portfolio, and competent advice, the stock market can provide a consistent stream of passive income, adding to your long-term financial security. Number 3. Sponsored posts on social media. If you've got a strong social media following, like on Instagram or TikTok, you can earn money from brands. They'll pay you to feature their products in your posts. But to keep your audience interested, you have to keep creating engaging content. Building a big audience is key to getting good sponsorship deals, but it takes time. So focus on growing your audience first. Once you start getting sponsored posts, keep posting regularly to maintain your audience and attract more advertisers. Leveraging your social media presence can be a profitable business model if you consistently produce quality content that resonates with your followers and appeals to brands. Number 2. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing provides an excellent option for passive income. Many major brands run affiliate programs, meaning you can promote popular products and earn money when someone buys through your link. However, you only earn a commission from the sale. For instance, Shopify's program can earn you up to $58 per referral, while others may offer just $5 to $10. Before getting started, you should conduct research on the top affiliate programs. Blogging is a popular way to make recurring rewards without spending on advertising. Create quality content that naturally promotes products to gain an audience interested in your recommendations. With dedication and strategic planning, affiliate marketing can become a reliable source of passive income, offering financial freedom and flexibility in the long run. Number 1. Create a course. Creating an audio or video course can be a smart way to earn passive income. You create the course once, and then make money as people buy it. Platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera make it simple to sell your courses. Another strategy is to provide certain content for free while charging for more thorough information. This freemium model can be used by language teachers and stock-picking experts, among others. Giving away free content shows off your skills and attracts customers who want to learn more. While creating a course may require a significant amount of effort initially, it might result in consistent revenue in the long run. However, it is critical to work hard to ensure that the course is of excellent quality. Customers won't pay for something that isn't valuable. So while passive income from courses can be great, it's essential to make sure your product is top-notch to see real success. Hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching.